The only remaining MD-160 Caspian Sea Monster ground effect vehicle, also known as the Sea Monster of the Caspian Sea, has recently taken to the sea once again, in what may be its final voyage. This high-speed waterborne anti-ship weapon was designed by the Soviet Union during the late Cold War period as part of the 903 project. The MD-160 is a ground effect vehicle that uses the aerodynamic effect to reduce induced drag and achieve higher lift-to-drag ratios than high-altitude flight. This technology is typically used in the design of watercraft to ensure efficient and sustained high-speed flight capabilities that are easier and safer to operate on the water's surface. Built in 1986, the craft boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 837,757 pounds and is powered by 8 Kuznetsov NK-87 turbofan engines, each with a maximum rated thrust of 28,600 pounds and installed in 2 rows of 4 propellers on each side of the front fuselage. Although plans were made to build 8 of these vehicles, equipped with weapon systems and 6 SSN-22 Sunburn supersonic anti-ship missile launchers on the back and a large surface search radar on the tail, only one was completed before the Soviet Union collapsed. It was then transferred to the Russian Caspian Fleet and became part of the Russian Navy. The original prototype of this type of the vehicle began testing in 1966, and before the Antonov An-225 transport aircraft first flew in 1988, it was the largest and heaviest aircraft in the world. However, the prototype crashed in an accident in 1980. Russia mentioned the ground effect vehicle project in 2017 and intended to use it in the Arctic region, but the project seemed to have been abandoned. The remaining MD-160 had almost been completed when production stopped in the 1990s, and it has been idle at the production site ever since. Whether Russia will restart the ground effect vehicle program or not, this Caspian Sea Monster seems to have completed its final voyage and will be preserved as a fascinating witness to a bygone era.